All right, number 12, find the area of the rectangle with a length of 6 feet and a width of 3 5/8 feet. Important word here is area, okay? We know we're dealing with the rectangle. When I see that, first thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and draw me a rectangle. And then I can label the length is 6 feet and the width is 3 5/8 feet. So that's what I've already done right here. And I've already written our formula, area equals length times width, okay? And then I've drawn my picture. I have my length labeled and my width labeled. If I know that I'm having to find area and I multiply, then I'm going to go ahead and write this problem out. 6 times 3 5/8. Now looking at this, I know that I'm multiplying fractions, so I'm going to follow my steps. My steps say to make it an improper fraction if needed. Okay, so that would be this part here. But I also know that I need to make this a fraction, which is 6/1. Right here, when I do the popcorn, that gives me 8 times 3 plus 5. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is 29 over my denominator, which is 8. Next step is to simplify if possible, okay? In this case, I have common factors here. 2 goes into both 6 and 8, so I'm going to cancel out. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And that's all I can simplify, okay? And then my next step is to just go through your steps again. We're going to multiply straight across, numerator times numerator, and then denominator times denominator. So I'm going to multiply 29, scoot this up, 29 times 3. Okay, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So that gives me 87 over 8. 4 times 1 is 4. Last step, simplify if possible. We don't want to leave this as an improper fraction. So we are going to divide. Remember, top dog in the house. 87's the top. Place it in the house. 4 goes on the outside. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Then I'm going to subtract that, get 0, so I bring down the 7. 4 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract that, you get 3. 3 is your remainder with 4 as your denominator. And there's your answer, 21 3/4.